Hello, we are using a Lubuntu live distribution that can be used in every desktop without requiring any installation. We start by opening our web browser and going to the book web page. Copy the link for the test script. Open a terminal. Download the test script into your folder by using the command wget. Unzip the zip file. Give permission to execute the script using chmod. Execute the script. Some tools are not installed. We need to install them using apt install. First, perform an apt update. Then install the curl command. And install the got command. And install the git command. And install the xml-link command. For doing that, we need to install the libxml2 utils. Now we can execute the script again. Everything should be fine now. We can now safely start testing the commands presented in the book. Thank you for watching this video.